Wagwan people, one of the hope everybody doing good as always, and today again we're gonna talk about Vybz Kartel. Also we're gonna talk about the Court of Appeal overturning a murder conviction that was set in 2014. Yeah man, also we're gonna talk about Soice and her ex-dancer Danger clap back and I expose some things, but the people them are rush Danger wicked. Anyways people, stick around for the full video, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe because I don't know say you're so gonna get the latest, you see me? Yeah man, but first we're gonna kick it off with the whole thing surrounding Soice and her ex-dancer Danger. Soice forward out and say a bag of things, you see me? Danger at one point it make she know say her ex-husband, which is her kid's father, did kind of touch her inappropriately, you see me? But Soice said that's a baseband where she hear, and when she really look and put two and two together, it seems like she did get him on the front. You see me? And Soice say, yo, Danger, our ex-dancer, she did treat her like a sister. You see me? Yeah, until people all say, yo, she prefer Danger, even though other persons did it before Danger. Like dancer-wise, people say, yo, she prefer Danger over them and all of that. And she couldn't believe that Danger would have turned around and do that to her. Even though at this moment in time, she don't like the ex-husband, you see me? But yeah, Danger clap back now people, you see me? And I share the screenshot them I wish she post, because the people who are drag off of that screen, them post I wish she make, you see me? Watch this. Alright, so right just so Danger say she expose certain things that go on, you see me? And she say, oh, Soice no say, oh, she's a big Kartel fan, you see me? And if Soice was such a good person, the amount of time she dey close by when Kartel call on the phone, and Soice not even make she say hi, you see me? And Soice no say, oh, she's a big Kartel fan. But right there, so the people them a bash her for that. Matter of fact, them a bash her for everything what she post. She even go as far and say, oh, Soice complain about TC and Rebel hard. She even go as far as to mention Shenseea name and say, yo, Soice Shenseea can't get bigger than her, and I say Soice never want to help Shenseea when Shenseea just forward. And I say, yo, if Shenseea surpass her in terms of the amount of followers where she have on Instagram, she nyam her hat. And all of them something there. So with she saying them things to people, because truth to be told, when Soice video drop, people did up on Danger side, you see me? Yeah, you gotta have the Soice fans them out now them numbers. But people did actually that side with Danger. But after seeing them post you now, they might say, yo, that them posts don't sound right. You see me? Because now you don't have nothing more to say. You gotta start expose certain things, which make it seem as if you want to sound entitled. Like Soice should have do this for you and Soice should have do that for you. Especially with the clothes situation where she say, oh, Soice take her own clothes off her back. Soice with her name should have look at endorsement deal for her and all of that. People say, oh, that sound like some form of entitlement to the pan. You see me people? But yeah, what I think about all of this? I don't like it I got done now. As you know, Soice have a new album for drop. She have a new song out. 2085T. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Right, that's everything I stem from. You see me? But as I don't know how it go, and I dance some form of controversy have to start somewhere, somehow. You see me, people? But yeah, what I think about all of this? Leave your thoughts on this in the comment section. So now we're gonna move on. So today the Gleaner released the article here. Say, yo, Court of Appeal frees man of murder after substantial miscarriage of justice. The Court of Appeal has freed Andre Nelson, who was convicted June 24th of murder, declaring that some comments from the judge provoke a substantial miscarriage of justice. Nelson was sentenced on July 2014 to life imprisonment at hard labor, ordered to serve 20 years imprisonment before could be eligible for parole for the murder committed in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. So people, me looking into this now, is it that the Court of Appeal are go on a run now, because we know tomorrow Vybz Kartel decision day. Tomorrow, based on what we are here and based on what the judge said Friday, today we are gonna get tomorrow we're gonna get a decision for Vybz Kartel. And this appeal has stemmed all the way back around 2014 for Vybz Kartel said where, and it would have seemed as if for the same circumstances. For Vybz Kartel case, it was the juror situation, and evidence as well. In this one is the judge, you see me? But in both cases, it would be considered as miscarriage of justice. You see me, people? So, is it that they're gonna render the same decision for Vybz Kartel, or because Vybz Kartel have name and have power, they're gonna say, alright, retrial this? Because in his case, they could have proven that he did the crime, hence the reason why he got life imprisonment, but is now freed basically because of miscarriage of justice. In Vybz Kartel case, I would say more mishap in this case based on evidence, the juror, nobody being found and all of that. Should it be that Vybz Kartel should be walking free as well? Well, tomorrow is the day, people. Tomorrow is the day that we will find out whether or not Vybz Kartel will be walking free or will he go to retrial. But what I can say is, I personally feel that Vybz Kartel will be released from prison tomorrow. Whether or not he will be acquitted, I can't say. It sounds as if he will be acquitted, but we can't really use that because even though we got the updates from what was said in courts, there are hundreds of documents that was basically given to the judge to look over, that they didn't go in detail in the court basically. So I can't say whether or not everything will be acquitted, but it looks that way. But one thing I can say though is that if it's not acquitted, that they're gonna release him on bail to get his medical conditions right, basically. I feel that way. So if he's not acquitted, then they will release him on bail. But tomorrow is the big day, and as you know, we are keeping up to date as we've been do throughout the entire trial process. You see me? Not sure if we're gonna go live, but yeah, tomorrow are the big day. But definitely want to hear your thoughts and opinion in the comment section whether or not you feel like him go walk free. One thing for certain though, his lawyers are very confident, and even though we have seen Isaac Buchanan in the public eyes, we must have to give credit to John Clark because the points that he raised in court sounds as if his pointers will be where the decider is gonna come from. Even though they would have all worked on the case, based on what John Clark said in court, really have the judge away and have the judge asking the prosecution a lot of questions, rebutting, striking down a lot of arguments from them and all that. So I must say kudos to John Clark on that, and kudos to Isaac Buchanan for getting Vybz Kartel here. And if y'all didn't know by now, Isaac Buchanan is representing all the men now, so the rest of lawyers are off the case basically. Bert Samuels and his team is no longer a part of this case. Not sure if they got fired, but based on how it sounded, him say them basically step away from the case, and he pulled his daughter away from the case as well. I guess the agreement, based on how it sounded, was to basically get them cross the border from the Privy Council, and then as that they would have closed. But it could be a case that they got fired as well. But yeah, people, leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section about all of this. Remember to like and share and subscribe. I'm out.